This video I'll show you how to use offline translation on Google Translate. So let's begin. First of all, head over to the search bar and type for Google Translate. Now open the app. This is the Google Translate interface. Now if you want to use this app offline, so what you're going to do is tap on your profile. Now scroll down. Now here you'll find downloaded language. Tap on downloaded language. As you can see, I have 2 languages already downloaded. Now if you want to translate other language or many languages, just tap on the language that you want to use. For example, I'll just tap on French. I'll tap on download. Now tap on download. Now this is going to start to download. You can also download many other languages, whichever you like. Now after the language has been downloaded, now as you can see the French has been downloaded. Now you can use the language conversion even when your Wi-Fi is turned off. So I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi right now. Now go to your application interface. Now just try translating to French language that I just downloaded. So I'll just select this to French. Now it's on French. Now I'll just write hi. And as you can see, it has been already converted to French. It is called salut. Now I'll just try hello, and it will be bonjour. Now this is the real magic, because my Wi-Fi is turned off and I'm able to convert all the translation easily without having to rely on the internet connection. So you can also try this on many other languages. It's very fun, and it's very fun to try to learn new languages from here. So this is how you do it, guys. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries or question, make sure to leave it in the comment section. I'll help you with your problem. Thank you for watching this video, guys.